When you connect with the Mesothelioma Center, we learn your story, we understand your unique needs, and we can tailor a guide specific for you.
It arrived the very next day. It was a full package. It had booklets and pamphlets and little chapstick swag. It just had all of the information that you could possibly want to know.
We have a pleural mesothelioma guide or peritoneal mesothelioma guide. In addition to that, we have additional resources, whether it be a nutrition guide or an exercise guide or support group brochure or financial resource brochure or veterans benefits brochure. A patient can pick it up and flip to a section that they want to learn about, whether it be the disease process or treatments that may be offered or clinical trials in today's world, and be able to really understand it.
They went into details, they answered a lot of questions, even the chemo treatments, what to expect, the different types of drugs that they would use, the operation, the follow-up, how long it took to heal after that. Those are what I found myself going back to.
I often find another part that's very helpful for patients is questions to ask the specialist so they can be prepared when they see that specialist. The packet is designed where you can actually use the folder to take with you to the physician's office. There's a journal that's included. It's going with you through your journey, so you'll be able to use some resources almost every day. And then there's also some things that you'll be using down the road.
I went through every single book. I read all of the information. I read all the stories. You didn't get this far to not keep doing what you need to do to get better.